ولقد يسرنا القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to part 2 of lesson 6. We'll go through some of the exercises of the lesson today. The first exercise of this lesson is given at the bottom of page 35. We need to be able to read these sentences with proper vowels. If you have time, I suggest you practice writing them as well. As usual, I will give you a few seconds to attempt to read each sentence on your own before I read it for you, okay? Let's start. The first sentence. هذا مسجد وهذه مدرسة. This is a masjid and this is a school. These are two simple ismiya sentences connected by حرف عطف و. The second one. من هذه؟ هذه أخت عباس. Who is this? This is the sister of Abbas. The third sentence. هذا ديك وهذه دجاجة. This is a rooster and this is a hen. ديك, a rooster, is مذكر, so we are using هذا. And دجاجة, a hen, is مؤنث. Therefore, we are using هذه. The fourth one. هذا ابن المدير وهذه بنت المدرس. This is the son of the principal and this is the daughter of the teacher. Let's quickly analyze this sentence. هذا is the مبتدا of the first sentence and ابن is its خبر وهو مضاف and المدير is the مضاف إليه. After the حرف عطف وهذه is the مبتدا and بنت is its خبر وهو مضاف والمدرس is the مضاف إليه. As we can see here, the genders of مبتدا and خبر in each sentence are matching. Both of them are مذكر in the first one and they are مؤنث in the second sentence. Sentence number 5. هذه أم ياسر. This is the mother of Yasir. ياسر is the إضافة combination here. Sentence number 6. أين قدر اللحم؟ هي في الثلاجة. Where is the pot of the meat? It is in the refrigerator. So الثلاجة means the refrigerator. And it is a مؤنث اسم as indicated by تا مربوطة ending. Also, if you remember from our last video tutorial, the اسم القدر is مؤنث even if it looks like مذكر. That is why ضمير here is being used for قدر here in the answer. And the last sentence. هذا باب وهذه نافذة. This is a door and this is a window. So باب, a door, is the مذكر اسم. And نافذة means a window and it is a مؤنث اسم. We are finished with this exercise. Let's flip over to the next page now for exercise number 2. Here we are given a bunch of pictures. We need to use these pictures to practice asking what is this the right way in Arabic. Depending on the gender of the ism, we can either say ما هذا or ما هذه. While at it, let's answer the question as well. I will show the pictures one by one and give you a few seconds to ask the right question for the picture shown. And then a few more seconds to answer the question. You will hear my versions in between to cross-check your questions and answers. ما هذا؟ هذا قلم. ما هذه؟ هذه ملعقة. ما هذا؟ هذا كتاب. ما هذا؟ هذا قميص. ما هذه؟ هذه ساعة. ما هذا؟ هذا بيت. ما هذه؟ هذه سيارة. ما هذه؟ هذه دراجة. ما هذا؟ هذا باب. ما هذه؟ هذه رجل. ما هذه؟ هذه يد. ما هذه؟ هذه عين. ما هذا؟ هذا فم. ما هذه؟ هذه مكواة. ما هذا؟ هذا كرسي. ما هذا؟ هذا مفتاح. ما هذه؟ هذه ثلاجة. ما هذا؟ هذا مسجد. ما هذا؟ هذا نجم. ما هذه؟ هذه قدر. We have finished this exercise. Let's now flip over to page 37 to do one more exercise before we call it done. In the last video, if you remember, we learned that many ism type words in Arabic can be converted from mudhakkar to muannath gender by adding ta marbuta to them. In this exercise 3, we will practice with some of such convertible ism. Let's look at the example sentences given in the first line to figure out what we are going to do. Muhammadun talibun. Muhammad is a student. Next to it, we have Aminatu talibatun. Amina is a student. These are two simple ismiya sentences, each containing mubtada and khabar only. In the first sentence, the mubtada Muhammadun is mudhakkar, so is the khabar talibun. And in the second sentence, Aminatu is muannath, and therefore the muannath form of talibun, which is talibatun, is used for its khabar, so that the gender of the mubtada and the khabar agree with one another. In the remainder of this exercise, we are going to convert the mudhakkar khabar of the first sentence to the muannath form and use it as the khabar of the second sentence to match with its mubtada in gender. In the second line, we have Hamidun tabibun. Hamid is a doctor. What should we use then for Fatimatu? We should use tabibatun. So the sentence will be Fatimatu tabibatun. Fatima is a doctor. Notice tabibatun, besides the muannath form getting the ta marbuta, the vowel sign of the letter ba before the ta marbuta changes to fatha. So tabibun has changed to tabibatun. In the third line, we have huwa muslimun. He is a Muslim. Both mubtada and khabar are mudhakkar. And what is the muannath form of muslimun? It is muslimatun. So the second sentence will be hiya muslimatun. She is a Muslim. So huwa muslimun, hiya muslimatun. Next line. Al-babu mughlaqun. The door is closed. Then for an-nafidhatu, we should use mughlaqatun. So an-nafidhatu mughlaqatun. The window is closed. Mughlaqun is mudhakkar and mughlaqatun is muannath. Next, al-mindilu wasikhun. The handkerchief is dirty. Al-yadu is muannath. Do you remember why? Because it is a double body member, right? So for al-yadu, we should use the muannath form of wasikhun, which is wasikhatun. Al-yadu wasikhatun. the hand is dirty. Line 6. الشاي حار. The tea is hot. الشاي is مذكر, so is the ism حار. So we should say the coffee is hot. القهوة here means coffee. It's ending with ta مربوطة, so it's مؤنث. So we gotta use مؤنث form of حار, which is حارة. So together we have الشاي حار, القهوة حارة. Line number 7. المسجد بعيد. And for المدرسة we should use what? بعيدة, right? So المسجد بعيد, المدرسة بعيدة. The masjid is far, the school is far. Line 8. الطالب مريض. The student is sick. مريض means sick. And we want to say the same thing for the female student. And it will be الطالبة مريضة. Both of these sentences are translated as the student is sick. But the first one is for the male student and the second one is for the female student. In line 9, we have الحصان سريع. The horse is fast. سريع means fast. Now we should use the same ism for السيارة. And it will be السيارة سريعة. The car is fast. الحصان سريع, السيارة سريعة. Line number 10. القمر جميل. Here the مبتدأ القمر is the مذكر اسم. So we are using مذكر اسم for its خبر as well. But as we learned before, الشمس is the مؤنث اسم. We're going to use مؤنث version of جميل, which is جميلة. Together, القمر جميل, الشمس جميلة. The moon is beautiful, the sun is beautiful. And in the last line, we have الأب جالس. The father is sitting. جالس is the مذكر اسم. What will be the مؤنث form of it? جالسة. So for الأم, we will put جالسة. الأم جالسة. The mother is sitting. The ism جالس can be changed to جالسة to take the مؤنث form. We are all set with this exercise. Let's conclude our video here and finish up the remaining exercises of the lesson in the next video, inshallah. Until the next time, Assalamu alaikum.